So this is a test after Suunto returned my watches. This watch especially, they said the pressure sensor was not working anymore, and it was faulty and reading different to other watches. So eventually I took the watch back, and I also bought a new one, which is down here. And as you can see, this one is reading 26.6. That one's 26.7. They see 26.5, so it's out by about 0.1 to 0.2 meters, which is just fine with me. I think that's the tolerance anyway of accuracy of these things. 26.3, 26.4, 26.2, 26.3. If I try to increase the pressure slightly, take it up. 27.3, 27.8, okay, 28.5, 29, 30. I'm now at max at higher depth then. 31.3, 31.2, 31 point, I think that's where it will stay for now. 31.1, 31.3, 31.2, still out by 0.1. Now I'm going to decrease it. Wish I could have both of them on top of each other. And of course I'm ascending too fast now. It would be really good if I can have them both at the same time. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
20.9, 20.7. Okay, so I'm going to open the pressure now. It's a bit slow for my liking. A little bit more. It's a bit slow, eh? Take 10 minutes to do this video like this. What? Here you go, boy. It's working. 2.93. These things are not out by enough to me throw the watch away. And the question is, which one is more accurate? Strangely enough, the one at the bottom is reading lower than the one on top, so this could be out by 0.2.
True.
Not 0.1. 20 centimeters in a dive, really. It's not much. I thought it was out by a couple of meters. The battery was just flat, that's all. Okay, I think that's a good enough range. It's 18. Go 19, 20, 22, 23, 24.
Sounds like something's giving in.
Nope, just gonna leak, that's all. Should stop at 40 meters, because that's when it's 44 bars on the tap. 30. Let's go a bit more. Oh, maybe the tap is not fully open. 32, 33, 34. With the camera I have to be careful because it's straight is at 30.
Oh.
34.5. It's fully open now. 42, 43, 44, 44.4. This one's reading 44.4, that one's reading 44. So the accuracy decreases with depth. I have to carry a calibration curve with me. So this is a strange thing that at the surface, as you can see now, the faulty one is reading 0 meters and the brand new one is reading 0.3. I don't know if that's normal, but yeah.